Hi, welcome to OCS Kolkata channel again. This is Sujay Chaudhary from OCS Kolkata. Today I am going to give you the latest student visa updates for Australia study visa after COVID-19. Yes, this is a good news for students. The Australia government is making a number of changes to student visa arrangements to ensure Australia remains a priority destination for international students. Yes, it's a good news. The visa granting will commence soon. Yes, we are 19-year-old education consultant and we have guided more than 1,000 students to study their destination in Australia, US, UK and Canada. So, if you want to get more videos like this, please like our channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon. And I will discuss the whole changes that is being made by the Australian government yesterday, that is 20th July 2020. Yes, it's a good news. So we have hundreds of students from Pan-India studying in different cities in Australia. And this morning, I called to few of the students, especially in Sydney, and they told me that for the last 2.5 months, even they are not using any mask. Face mask rather. So face mask is not mandatory right now in Sydney. So that means it is one of the safest country on earth to go and study. So yesterday, that is on 20th July 2020, Australian government has made 5 significant changes on their study visa. And before that, just describe the changes, I want to say something. I want to quote something what they mentioned. They said that international students are extremely important to Australia and our economy contributing Australian dollar 40 billion per annum and supporting 250,000 jobs, and many also go on to become great Australian citizens. So guys, it's a good news for students who want to pursue higher studies in Australia. And also you have to remember that education is the 4th largest export sector in Australia. So let's check what are the changes that being made by the Australian government. So the number 1 change they made is the government will recommence granting student visas in all locations lodged outside of Australia. So it's a good news. So from today onwards, Australian government is going to give you visas. So what that will help to the students? Yes, the border is not open yet, but if you get the visas right now, what you can do, you can study from India, and when the border reopens, you can enter to Australia and attend your classroom. But for the time being, you can study from your home. So the second changes they made is that international students will be able to lodge a further student visa application free of charge if they are unable to complete their studies within their original visa validity due to COVID-19. Means there are a lot of students who are unable to study during this period. So maybe their courses will not be finished during their visa tenure. So in that case, if they have to reapply for their visa, so the visa application charges will be free for those who want to reapply their visas because of the COVID-19 and they were unable to complete their courses in time. So it's very good news for the students who are already in Australia. And the third changes is that student visa holders studying online outside Australia due to COVID-19 will be able to use that study to count towards the Australian study requirement for a post-study work visa. So that means, for an example, if any students is going to Australia for master degree, for 2-year master degree, so after 2-year completion of the degree, student can opt for the post-study work permit, depending on which cities they are going. As I mentioned in my previous videos, in some cities it is 2 years, in some cities the post-study work permit is 3 years, and in some cities the post-study work permit is of 4 years. So, for an example, if a student studies 1 semester from India and go and study 3 semesters in Australia, that means they are not studying logically 2 years of study in Australia, but still those students will be will be able to apply for their post-study work permit, and later on, of course, their PR. And the fourth changes is that the graduates who held a student visa will be eligible to apply for a post-study work visa outside Australia if they are unable to return due to COVID-19. So that means the students was already completed their courses, or maybe in the last semester, pursuing their last semester from India, and they came back to India, and due to the COVID-19 they are unable to return back to Australia. So that means the students who are really completing their courses from India, so they can also apply for the post-study work permit. Doesn't matter that they are not in Australia, they are in India, but they can also apply for their post-study work permit. And final changes is that additional time will be given for applicants to provide English language results where COVID-19 has disrupted across to these services. So that means you can start your course now, and later on you can submit your IELTS course, because right now it is very difficult to appear for the IELTS score because of this pandemic situation. So these are the significant changes made by the Australian government, which is very positive indication towards the Australian education industry. So there are a lot of changes, and if you want to know further details, please join our webinars, and please visit our offices, and we can guide you about the study option in Australia. And again, I'm saying that please like our channel so that it will motivate us to bring more videos to you. And also, if you want to know anything else, please comment below. I will try to make a video on that. And I would highly recommend you to become a part of Team OCS, so that we welcome you all to become a part of our team. And in the next videos, I will bring some more updates about courses in different countries. Till then, take care. Bye.